Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about if using keyword research tools are a requirement to succeed with blogging. Let's be clear, okay? It's not a requirement. It's not a requirement by any means, but the reality is majority of us, and I'm speaking for myself here, is I don't have the brain power to be able to compose or create new ideas for keywords, especially with the day and things that go on and how busy I am and things I have to worry about. I have too much to worry about to be able to allocate the brain power to think about certain keywords that are relevant to my niche. And that's essentially what keyword tools do for you, right? They prevent you with relevant keyword terms. They show you the search volume. They show you your competitors. They show you the domain authority of your competitors. They show you all kinds of different details. They show you the keyword difficulty to rank, all those different things. Do you need those informative pieces to be able to create a blog on a certain keyword and then succeed and make money? The answer is no. You don't need that. It's not a requirement. But does it help? The answer is absolutely. The advantage that somebody's going to have over somebody who doesn't have a keyword research tool is going to be drastic. And the important thing is you have to know the actual search volume to what that keyword is producing and the relevant keywords associated with it and their search volumes as well. Very, very, very important. And I'm not sitting here saying it's a requirement. I mean, I'm sure there are people who maybe in the beginning couldn't afford a keyword research tool and kept things moving and kept trying and eventually succeeded. I'm sure there are people who did that. But with that being said, if you're struggling to make money, you shouldn't be starting off with a blog. You should have a job. And I don't say that as an insult. I say that as, because you need to have money somewhere. Blogging is one of those businesses where you put in a little money to start. What does a little money look like? It could be $40, $50, $100 a month, maybe $30 a month. And then in a period of a few months, it could produce $600, $800, $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 a month. So it's not so much of a costly business, because it really isn't. There's many businesses out there that are very, very costly. Think about opening a pizza shop or a bakery or a restaurant or mechanic shop. Some of those businesses cost $20, $30, $50, $100, $200, $50,000 to start. But when you're talking about the business of a blog, the income or the cost to start it is very, very low. And so some people tell me, I don't have the money to afford a keyword research tool. And I say to them, if you don't have the money to afford it, don't start a blog. Get a job first. If you have a job and then you have some leftover cash, then you can allocate that via a budget. And once again, I want to be clear. I don't say that to be insulting, but I say that to be serious about where you're coming from with the business. If you're serious about running a certain business, then you have to be able to allocate some sort of budget, some sort of thing, because you're going to have to pay for hosting, you're going to have to pay the keyword research tool, you're going to have to pay for email marketing, you're going to have to pay for different things that come around with the business, all right? So this is hopefully a video just to open your eyes and be clear on what you need to do when it comes down to starting that blog, making money off that blog. Is keyword research a requirement? No, it's not a requirement. But does it help drastically? Yes. And the best thing that I could relate this to is imagine if you started a YouTube channel. If you started a YouTube channel, is having a camera a requirement to having a YouTube channel? No, it's not a requirement. But will it help drastically? Yeah, it will help drastically. There's no question about that. So that's pretty much what it comes down to, all right, guys? So I keep it simple. Keep it very, very simple, and that's my simplest answer. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bye. And by the way, enjoy the rest of the series, all right? I'll talk to you soon. See you soon.